In the hyper-visible world of digital influence, we are witnessing a new visual protocol. It's a trend that has become the ultimate status symbol for the modern elite, the censored child. Walk through the aesthetic beige-toned feeds of today's top influencers and you'll see them. Children with white hearts, stars, or blurs where their faces should be. We are told this is a noble act of protection, a way to grant a child digital consent before they even know what the word means. But today on Monica's Pie, we are deconstructing the clinical reality of this visual erasure. This isn't just about privacy, it's about the psychological cost of being a ghost in your own family's brand. Welcome back, I'm Sana, and today we are looking at the heavy price of being erased for your own protection. Babe, let's be serious. The emoji face is the new high-end flex. It's a way for parents to signal that they are wealthy and famous enough to have a life worth seeing, but ethical enough to hide the most vulnerable part of it. But there's a suffocating irony here. If you truly wanted to protect a child's privacy, you wouldn't broadcast the layout of their nursery, the brand of their stroller, or the location of their daily walks. Hiding only the face is a performative shield. It's a way to monetize the idea of motherhood while avoiding the accountability of showing a real human child. From a psychological perspective, this creates what I call the mirror paradox. A child builds their identity by seeing how the world reflects them, but in these digital-first homes, the parents see themselves seeking constant validation through the lens, while simultaneously being told that for them, being seen is a security breach. When you're the only one blurred out in every family memory, you're not just protected, you're excluded from the family's public reality. You become a secret identity before you have a real one. But what happens when the camera stops rolling and these children enter adulthood? This is where the visual gag order turns into a profound identity crisis. These adults will eventually face a world that knows everything about their childhood, their favorite toys, their first steps, their tantrums, yet they have no visual record of themselves in that world. They enter society with a digital body dysmorphia. They've been trained to believe their face is a liability, a threat to the family's safety. As adults, this often manifests as deep-seated social anxiety and a pathological fear of being captured. They struggle to distinguish between their real self and the aesthetic prop they were raised to be. We're raising a generation of faceless VIPs who will spend their adult lives trying to reclaim a face they were never allowed to own. They are the victims of a cold, institutional approach to parenting that treats identity as a data point to be managed. We are protecting their metadata, but we are damaging their sense of belonging. The emojing face isn't a solution. It's a symptom of a culture that refuses to stop filming, even when it knows it should. I'm Sana, and this was the deconstruction of the faceless generation. Subscribe to Monica's Pie if you want to keep looking behind the digital veil. Tell me in the comments, is the blurred face a gift of privacy or a lifelong sentence of invisibility? Stay sharp, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next one.